What's up?
Hey, thank you so much for clicking on my video. So today is a weekend vlog and it's September 30th to be specific, so it's a Saturday. So welcome and thank you for clicking on my video. So today is, did say September 30th, right? Oh yeah. So tonight is basically one of the biggest events in Jamaica, or one of the, I can say Jamaica, it's KINGSTON, yeah, but I think I can say Jamaica because this is one of the biggest events in September in Jamaica. So it's I Love Soca. You guys should hear me talk about that because I've been to a few and I've vlogged it before, but tonight is actually very different because this event starts from 10 p.m. all the way up until 10 a.m. in the morning. So that's what we're going tonight. They did say we can bring chairs, we can bring tents, we can bring anything. So it's basically a festival, a sleepover with music. You can bring your igloo, so you can bring your alcohol and all of that stuff. So it's gonna definitely be a vibe today, and I wanted to tonight, and I just wanted to bring you guys along with me. I will be bringing my chair as well because we're up in that age, you know, so I'm not going to be standing all night, and so I'm so happy that we can, you know, bring chairs and whatever. I will not be staying for the full 12 hour. However, I don't know what time I'm gonna leave, but they do have breakfast at 7 a.m. so I don't know, I may stay till breakfast or not. Yeah, so it's actually early. It's like 6 o'clock now, so probably won't get to the event until 1:30, 2 a.m. But yeah, I'm gonna take you guys, and I hope you guys enjoy this full experience with us and in Jamaica. Yeah, so for all my viewers who, you know, are visiting Jamaica and all of that, and you're coming in September, the month of September, this event always keeps on the last Saturday in September. So I'm gonna give you guys, if you guys want to know like what's happening in Kingston and in Jamaica specifically, I'm gonna give you, I think, 2 Instagram pages that, you know, post all the parties and stuff that are upcoming. So you have Sleek Jamaica, SLEEK Jamaica, and then you have Scan, SKKA, and those are 2 media outlets that, you know, promotes all the events and stuff like that. So you guys can, like, you know, view those Instagram pages or whatever. And then again, the event that I'm going to is I Love Soca Jamaica, so you guys can also follow that Instagram page. But enough of this babbling. I'm just gonna chill for now. I already picked up my cute outfits you guys are gonna see. Anyways, yeah, so I'll see you guys when I'm at the event, and I hope you guys enjoy this vlog. I know it's gonna be short because I think this is the only thing I've videoed. By the way, I did go into the other day, so I'll probably just add that first. But yeah, that's it. So talk to you guys when I'm at the event, or probably when I'm getting ready.
But you cannot take love.
So good morning, y'all. So it is minutes past 12 a.m. in the morning. I am just waking up. So I didn't plan to like sleep because I wanted to just stay up and whatever, but I was super tired, so I fell asleep around after 11 p.m. Now I'm up. I haven't done this in a while. Go to sleep, get up early just to go to an event. So yeah, anyways, my ride is coming for me at 1 a.m. so I need to hurry up and get ready. So we're gonna get ready, then I'll show you the full fit, then we're gonna head out. I am super tired, but let's go. So just reached at the event, and it's what, running up to 2 o'clock, and we have to bring in the igloo before 2 o'clock. So let me show you guys the igloo. No, no, put the eye, don't open the eyes, coming by it now, fully thing there. 2 buckle around? Let's bring here. It is a lot of people coming out.
Cause girls is players too.
One time for the birthday bitch. Oh. 2 times for the birthday bitch.
Oh. Everybody put your hands in the birthday here tonight. Where you at? I think we in Libra season, right? Big up the Libras in the building tonight. I want to big up anybody that's not from Jamaica that's here tonight. Listen, but we came on a flight yesterday, and there's a lot of people that was on our flight too. It's on ban tonight. Put your hands in the air. Put your flag in the air. Put it up. We have the sound and feel like Soca. Was like, welcome home. And it's like my second home. And there was 1,000 dances last night, but there's only one. You ready for that? Tonight is a different kind of night. Anybody want to hear some tune? Say tune. You ready?
If I want 4 parties we hit in a row, tonight at the very last show, before we head out on the road, the girl let me release the load. So let me see your hands up, so everybody know, put your hands up, so. We ready for the road.
Respect, honorable. If there's one thing I've noticed about Jamaica, when I hear up a brethren, they say honorable. You touch your heart, you say manners, honorable. And blesser, yes, all brethren, honorable. Big up the UE team, UTEC team. All my friends from Antigua, Guyana. Big up Guyana. Right now Guyana bossy. All you want the cricket, pick up Guyana with the CPR. 2,200 Jamaica. It's nice if you're feeling a little munchy. But right now, I take you across to Trinidad and Tobago. We welcome someone. We welcome our queen. She is a star in Jamaica. Any stage, any part of Jamaica, she is always welcome. A surprise she get a Jamaican passport yet. We want the Queen to come on the stage. I want you to put your flags up, hands up, everything in the air. As we welcome Destra,
With a bacchanal, all they say I lose. All down on the ground, walking at the bottom of the dragon. All over town and they say I lose it. Was never a party at my school, was I? Jamaica and Destra. With a bacchanal, all down on the ground, and the track I used to go, but since I was introduced to bacchanal, of Destra.
Everybody knows it, bravo. You be live, baby.
for a bathroom break. So the party's lit so far. Oh, the bathroom line is so full. Doesn't make no sense, bro. I am out of the bathroom. I am tired, but the party is happening. We're heading back inside.
Soca Plus. Somebody say bam! Bam, bam! Bam! Yes! We are ready! I want you to put something up and represent. This is a tempting dancehall. Anybody first time going to experience it, take out your phone. It's going to be a movie. I bring to you with no delay. Make some noise, Soca Plus, as you welcome on stage. Aidonia!
Jamaica. Yeah. Boom. You niggas know that the place. Four generation. We are boys now. See the fresh jump. Yo, we love that show. All my beautiful ladies, scream for me, please. You want me? So set it up now. Come and say, take up. And a 610, because you're back in your bed. Listen, bad man salute. And I eat this here.
Good morning. It's 6 a.m., y'all.
Up your son now. We start sing. All real Jamaican when they are say, yo! Hold on, man. Let me see if you're a real Jamaican. After 3, I want you to help me sing the national. Grant true wisdom, justice. If you're proud to be Jamaican, put your hand here and sing.
Okay. A lot of us is toxic, but we don't want to admit it. Anybody in here ever been in love? If you ever been in love, put your hands in the air right now. I'm just doing something different. You've been dancing, been jumping. Different family business. Everybody open up. Oh my God. What? What you did? Anybody ready for party? Put up your hand in the air. What you did? You don't business about no boy.
Girl, I wanna handle you. Put my hands upon you, baby. Say you like to really ride. Girl, I really know you.
I don't know you smell the sea when you leave the house. Then why you wave your hand like this in the morning? Start to wave. Start to
You got something that I'm interested in. Just maybe you're 22. Do what I handle. Girl, I wanna handle you. Put my hands upon you, baby. You're 22. Do what I handle. Girl, I wanna handle you. Put my hands upon you, baby. 22 going on 23. You look prettier when you're fucking with me. I'm in your city, I'ma show you what it means to be loved. Fuck. 22 going on 23.
and you have a flag or you find a rock. 1, 2, 1, 2.
You're 22. Do what I handle. Girl, I wanna handle you. Put my hands upon you, baby. You're 22.
We got one more.
Ready. And the crowd now waking up. The atmosphere have vibes, and nothing can break it up. The girl them a wine non-stop. We have the drinks them in a my cup. We gonna party all night, all night. 24 parties we hit in a row. If you're ready for the road, let your friend them know. We're ready for the road. We're ready for the road. We're ready, we're ready, yeah we're ready, we're ready, yeah we're ready, we're ready.
Sing kids. Where's Guyana? Big up to the machine. Everybody clap your hands. I got a feeling that tonight
with thousands of chipped in feet. Everywhere you look is just food, and everybody in a real nice mood. We gonna party.
Y'all, it's breakfast time.
gym and you don't go to the gym. All the girls that can touch your toe, touch your toe. All the girls that can 6:30 in this morning.
We're ready for the road.
Jay. Anybody here wanna combine? I love Soca Plus. Do we have any Soca fans in here? Put your hands in the air for me,
Look how the sun now raising up, and the crowd now waking up. The atmosphere have vibes, and nothing can break it up, 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 and nothing can break it up. And nothing can break it up. We're ready for the road.
Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Robert Else, speaking to my DJ Just Jay. I'm bringing on the city boys of Jamaica. These are the city boys of Jamaica. One goes by the name of Bloodline Franco. And the next one goes...
Ready.
Y'all, we are leaving. Yeah, what time is it? What time is it? Let me show you guys the exact time. So we are leaving the party at 8:07 a.m. in the morning, okay? Let the record show 8:07. Yeah, we said 8:07. 8:07 a.m. in the morning. Anyways, y'all, we are leaving the event. Very sweaty, very hot, but it was a good time. We had such a great time, y'all. We're heading to the shuttle bus to take us to the car, the parking lot.
Hands up, so everybody know, put your hands up, so if you're ready for the road, let your friend them know. We're ready for...
Okay, it's okay. I'm gonna show you guys the time, so to show you guys, like, I'm literally not lying. 1 second. So this time, let me turn on the AC one bit. All right, let me turn off the AC. So this is saying 9:26. Just bear in mind, this is an hour ahead. This time is in the US, okay? We're not in the US, we're in Jamaica. So it is literally 8:27 a.m. in the morning. Yeah, 8:27 a.m. in the morning, guys. Like, I am literally toasted. We tired. I am tired, but it was such a fun event. Like I told you guys, I Love Soca keep every last Saturday in September. So if you know, if nobody knows about I Love Soca, now you know, okay? Now you guys know about I Love Soca, and people who all my overseas viewers, you guys know that every last Saturday in September I Love Soca keep. And yeah, I partied from around 1 a.m. in the morning up until 8, almost 8:30 a.m. in the morning. So yeah, I think this is a record. This is definitely a record since my early 20s. But anyways, I really hope you guys enjoy this video. I'm just waiting on a few friends to come off the bus, and then we're gonna head out. Peace. I hope you guys enjoy the little preview. So my friend Jay waiting on my other friends. Yeah.
Look how the sun now raising up, and the crowd now waking up. The atmosphere have vibes, and nothing